guys. I'm just cleaning everything, but it's hard work. There's my princess there. When I grow up, I want to have four pets. 2 hamsters, girl and boys, okay, they can marry, and 2 birds, any kind of birds, because they can marry. And the child is so cute. Have you seen a child of a squirrel? That's cute too. Well, do you want to help me? Yes. Clean the bowls and the stuffing. Anyway, I have a lot of work to do. Like clean this, because it's so disgusting. Clean the wall and there. Hard work. There you go. Oh, it's my grandma. Come on, let's see. Okay. Wanna see her? 1, 2, 3. Camera activate to my grandma. Hello, my child. Hello, Grandma. Oh, hello. I don't see you there. Oh, you're holding a camera. You go to school. Come on. Go where? Oh, here. Just be here. Okay. Do this work. That's my bra. Okay. I'm gonna wait outside. Done. Wow, she's done fast. Here. Correct. Okay, go. Push you. Yes. Let's jump outside. There. Let's go to a whole new world. Let's go. Hey, that was a bit scary. The chairs are hard. And I really hope that I got someone in my hand. Here. So my things. This is my yum vegetable. Yeah, close over this one. There, you wanna see? Okay. There. Open. Wash your face, and then a bowl, I guess. Oh yeah, because my little one cutie pie love to be in a bowl. Here, cutie pie, and I will have here potato. Anyway, I want corn soup. Want it in the cup. And this potato go here. There's that one. Corn soup. Another cup. And potato. I'm done with all of these. How about you, little guys? See their bowl. Finished. I finished it. Done. And there's our fruits. Still have. I'm gonna wash them for tomorrow. For tomorrow lunch. The key dorms. This is the key dorm. And this is the key for the hotel. I have a hotel. Just kidding. It's not real. It's just pretend. My home. So yeah.